Hi everyone, so today we're gonna make a lemon pasta with tuna and arugula. So I have some onions and garlic right here, just regular canned tuna, black pepper, Parmesan cheese or Romano, whichever you like, just penne pasta, lemon juice, and the arugula. It's a very simple dish, and you can always substitute with something else if you choose to, like chicken or a different kind of salad like a spinach or even rapinis. We'll be right back. So the pan is been heating for a little bit, so I just add a little bit of olive oil. And then we're just going to put the onions and the garlic in here. And this is a real quick and easy meal. And then just add this, the pasta in it, together with the tuna. And you just let it heat up for a little bit. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes. So we'll be right back. So it's been a couple of minutes, so you can just add the lemon juice in it. Just the juice of 1 lemon. Mix it up. As you can see, it's real super easy and super quick. And I just grab a handful of the arugula. And mix it up together until it's wilted. You can add more if you like. And then just see there is some pepper, black pepper. And there you have it. Lemon pasta with tuna and arugula. You can serve it with, you can add some Parmesan cheese or Romano, whichever you like. Quick and easy. So if you like this channel, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.